Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English language class. I hope all of you have done your tests well. Today we continue with our new lesson. We have lesson 13, A and the, known as the articles. We all know that English alphabet consists of 26 letters. Of these, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and rest of them are the consonants. So today we shall discuss the articles. Let us look at the board. There are three articles. They are A and the, and they are known as the articles. They come just before the nouns. Now what we have to go to discuss next is kinds of articles. So up to now, like class 1, 2 and 3, we learned how to use a and the just before some words or some sentences. Now we have further one more step, two kinds of articles. They are definite articles and indefinite articles. Now let us see what are definite articles. Definite articles are the is a definite articles. No, the is a definite articles. And it is used when we speak about a particular person or a thing. For example, the moon, the Himalayas, the Quran, the Times of India. All these are like special names. And we have in our page, page 55, we have the use of definite articles. Kindly take your book and follow it. We have the definite articles. The is used before the names of rivers, gulfs, oceans and seas. For example, the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Persian Gulf, the Pacific Ocean. Then we use before the names of the mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes. All these before we use it because all these are special names, or because of that we use article the. Before the names of historical monuments. For example, the Hawa Mahal or the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, or like that many other examples, historical monuments. Before that we use the. Before the names of sacred books, the Holy Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, etc. Before the names of things unique of its kind. Something especially the universal forces like the sun, the earth, the solar system, the planets, all these we use before the. Then before writing, when we write with the superlative adjectives which can make a noun definite. Like Ravi is the most intelligent of the class. Comparison is made here on the superlative degree. All the other students, Ravi is the most intelligent boy. Then when we speak of a particular person or a thing, the girl in the black skirt is my sister. So we are highlighting among the girls, the black skirt one who is wearing is my sister. So just remember, when we write about a noun for the first time, we use a or an. But when we are going to repeat it again for the second time, we use article the. Now these are the main things that we have to remember in the definite articles. Now we will move on to the second one, indefinite articles. We have a and are the indefinite articles. They are used when we do not mention or speak any particular person or thing. For example, we have here a dog. Now we speak about any dog, a bag, an umbrella. It's not a particular name. We are not speaking particularly something. So next one is a we use before words that begin with the consonant sounds. This we have learned before also. So A mostly we use it before the consonants sounds. Then we also use A and before the countable nouns. Now the nouns which we can count, we use it A or and. For example, a table or a book or an umbrella or a dog. Whatever it is, we have to mention which we can count. We use it and A or and. While pronouncing abbreviations, we use A or and. Now abbreviations are like full forms. Like for example, MLA. Now we say an MLA. We don't say this A MLA because the sound comes M, E, M, M. It sounds like a M. Because of that we use an MLA. Like that in any other abbreviations we will learn. All these depend upon the sounds we use. If it is sounding with vowel, then we use it and. Give me now what next thing, how we have to take care of the sentences. Give me a pen, for example, any pen. We are speaking here about any pen. But give me the pen in your packet or in your pocket. So that is we are mentioning what is in your pocket is particularly we are mentioning that particular pen you give to me. So let us see what is the use of indefinite articles. We use A before that begins with the consonant sound. Already I have told you. In the book you have a cat, a chair, a pencil, and we use and before the vowel sound like an egg or an apple, an iron, etc. So these are the few examples given to you. And one more thing we have to remember, when we repeat a sentence and we use the, and in the first time we use it A or an, but when we have to repeat the same nouns in the second sentence, we use it the. So students, there are also some omissions of the articles. Omissions means some exceptional cases we have to just omit it. The article is omitted. Before names of substances, gold is a precious metal. Like we don't say the gold. It's a substance, so we don't use the. Diamond is used for making jewelry. Before qualities, qualities like wisdom. Wisdom is the gift of heaven. We don't say the wisdom. Virtue has its own reward. We don't say the virtue, only it is a virtue that is not used. Neither a nor and nor the is. No, none of the articles are used. Before most proper nouns. Now most of the proper nouns before that we do not use any articles. India is a great country. We don't say a India, nor an India, nor the India. Akbar was a great king. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Asia is the largest continent. Now before we use the languages, Hindi is our national language. We don't say the Hindi. No, we only just mention us because they are our special names. We are studying English. We don't say we are studying the English. No, this language we do not use any articles. Before names of meals, dinner is ready, the dinner is ready, we do not say. Then at what time do you have your lunch? So all this time we omit all the omitting of all these articles. Before the names of relations, especially we omit the articles the. Before the names of relations, father has returned and wants you to see her. So we do not use any relations names like the aunt, the uncle, nothing of all these sort. We just put directly the names. So students, kindly go through your lessons, properly read it and try to understand. So these are the use of articles. When we have examples or from the book, we will be able to understand in a better way. The rest of the things we will discuss during the class time. Thank you.